Okay, so as you can see, I've just come back from a bike ride here and had a bit of an incident with a pedestrian, a bit of a situation where I was just riding down the beach and I hear this horn, beep, and it's like it startled me, and I said to the driver, you can't do that. It's illegal. You can't just beep your horn. They gave me a bit of lip, and then the car drove off, and the guy on the other side of the vehicle goes, "Oh, she was beeping at me, not you, mate." And I said, "Well, it's illegal." And he's giving me lip. I said, "Mate, just look up the road rules. It's illegal." And he said, "I'm crazy. It's not illegal. It's just you're allowed to do it." So let's have a look. Is it illegal to use your horn to beep someone as you're leaving? And the answer is, surprisingly, most people don't realise this, but it's actually illegal to do that. And it says, when is it legal to use your horn? To warn other drivers that your vehicle is approaching. Well, she was on the other side of the road, so she wasn't approaching. To try and get animals off the road, and as part of an anti-theft or alcohol interlock device. Now, this is correct. I've looked on several websites. These are the only 3 times you can use your horn legally. And he goes, when is it illegal to honk your horn? So let's just zoom in this a bit. And you'll see, let's zoom a bit. Being aggressive at drivers that have annoyed you. I'm sure people have broken the law here. Honking at pedestrians or cyclists when there is no risk of collision. I've had that happen to me. And a friendly beep to a passing friend, which is the exact thing that happened today. So what penalties can you get? You can see here. So here it goes. It says in each of these situations, there are instances of road rage or risk your horn being misinterpreted as an emergency. Well, that's right, because there was no need for it to beep a horn, according to me, because the person that she was beeping to was unsighted, so I couldn't see that interaction. All I heard was a beep when I was like 10 feet away from the car. And 10 feet away from a car when a loud horn is quite startling. So road rage is a particular problem as driving angry can increase your risk of a crash by up to 10 times. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, so penalties for using your horn inappropriately is quite a hefty penalty. In New South Wales, the illegal use of a horn carries a maximum $337 fine. Queensland, the maximum fine is 20 penalty points. Currently, one penalty unit is $130.55, so maximum fine of $2,611. Woo! In Victoria, the maximum fine is one penalty unit, currently $161.19. So it varies from state to state. Tasmania, $122.25. In South Australia, where I am, maximum fine is $298. In Western Australia, looks like you can just do it for fun in Western Australia and you get one penalty unit, which is currently $50. And in the ACT, Canberra, where all the politicians reside, it looks like they like to squeeze the money out of the politicians. Canberra is sort of almost like a utopia. It's almost like Singapore, isn't it? They've got fairly harsh penalties in Canberra for minor things. 20 unit penalty units. A penalty unit's $150 to maximum of a $3,000 fine. So there we go, guys. I thought I'll do this. Hopefully the guy that was abusing me today actually sees this video and is like, you can't see my finger, but it's like, up yours, mate. I was correct. You cannot use a horn just to say hello or goodbye to your mates. It's actually illegal, and I've known this for many years. And so spread this around that you can actually get a fine if the police are there and they see you doing this. They can actually pull you over and fine you, and you'll get quite a shock. Alright guys, so don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you next time. Drive safe, don't honk at the cyclists. Bye.